Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today we're making a kid's favorite lunch, pizza bites by scratch. And today is everything but the kitchen sink, and it's made on a bagel. So don't worry about having to have pizza dough for a pizza. The ingredients for this recipe is probably everything you already have in your pantry, except maybe the mini bagels and some shredded mozzarella. Other than that, it's any kind of spaghetti sauce or tomato sauce you have. You can even go with crushed tomatoes or sun-dried tomatoes. And look around for your jars and cans because maybe you have some sliced olives. I found a jar of artichoke hearts and capers. Oh, and anchovies. Kids, this recipe's for you, and I'm putting anchovies on it. Have you ever had an anchovy? Don't tell me you don't like it if you've never tried it. It's going on. To get to the finish line fast, I'm preheating my oven to 400. And I've lined a baking pan with foil because this can get messy. My bagels are pre-sliced, but not enough. I need to open them with a knife. So cut them, Dano, and then line them up on a pan. Time to top them. I always have a problem opening up jars. So Jiddly has a jar opener. It opens up any jar I have. And Jiddly provides a second device to get the suction out in case it's sticking. So put your pizza sauce on your pizza bites. I like it thick because I think the tomato sauce just has all the flavor. And spread it around. I don't mind if I fill in the hole because that's just more of the flavor to get in there. He needs more. Add more if necessary. I like variety in my pizza bites, so this is going to have different toppings. It's even great with crushed tomatoes. And this Jiddly can opener is just the best for things that have pop tops. After opening the top, you just pull it back like that. So you can use crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce. It's all good. Even sun-dried tomatoes. Jiddly has taken all the difficulty out of getting those tops off for me. This sun-dried tomato taste is going to have a lot of extra flavor. You can use anything tomato-based. Now it's time to add our mozzarella and spread it around. I put one big pinch on each of them, and it's gonna melt and find its way. I had a kid that just didn't like red sauce, so we had to make a white sauce pizza for him every time. This would be little Clayton's. He's gonna get a lot of extra mozzarella. That's gonna make him happy. So let's get in that jar of olives. So easy with that Jiddly can opener. It pops those tops off fast. So throw those olives on. It's raining olives. But not everyone likes olives on their pizza bites. I never really did, so I'm not putting them on the whole thing. At least the black olives. The olives I like are the Kalamatas. So opening a jar of those Kalamata olives and slicing them up. These are pitted, which is great. No seeds to get in the way, and those are going to go on. Any jar of food that you think might be good on a pizza, I recommend you try. Time for the artichokes. I love these, and these have been packed in oil, so it gives some extra flavor because that oil will drizzle on our pizza bites. Yum! And I found some capers in my pantry, and I like them too. So just like confetti, they're going on. These are little salt bombs. I like the pickled flavor on these. They're gonna go great with those Kalamata olives. And instead of struggling and breaking a nail on the tops of these little cans, this Jiddly can opener makes it so easy to flip the lid. And this is what anchovies look like. They are thin and yummy because they're packed in olive oil and salt. The Italians really know how to do this, because they lived off these for their whole lives, before refrigeration and all that. But onto the pizza it's going. Maybe not the whole thing in one bite. Could be a little much. So I'm gonna twirl it around this pizza bite. And I'm gonna encourage my son to eat this one with the anchovy, just straight, and a few more to top the everything pizza bites. Delish. This one is a fatty. That is going to be the salt bomb. And I wouldn't even waste the olive oil it's packed in. That's got a lot of flavor too. So on it goes. Oh yeah, that is extra flavor. What ingredient from your kitchen would you have put on these? Comment and let me know. These are my favorites. In the oven it goes. So set your timer to 10 minutes because you don't want to miss lunch. This video is sponsored by Jiddly, and I'm so glad I found them because there's all kinds of reasons you need these gadgets. Kids need them because there's no way kids can open those jars. When I was a kid, I'd bang it on the counter and my mother would yell at me because she wouldn't break a tile. Or if you break the jar, it's going to make a big mess. And you could have issues with your hands or your grip. With those 4 openings, you can easily decide which one is going to be best to open your jar. This has been a lifelong struggle for me to open jars that I no longer have to worry about. And how many times have I broken a nail with those flip-top lids? Too many. This Jiggly can opener makes it so easy. It effortlessly screws off caps from any other drinks in capped plastic or glass bottles. And every kitchen needs a great pair of kitchen shears. There's probably 4 or 5 times every time I'm cooking a meal that I would need a pair of scissors. With the scissor pack, you get 2. Both of these work great for cutting up chickens. The smaller one was especially designed for cutting up fish and cleaning shrimp. I love kitchen gadgets because they make my time in the kitchen go faster, as I don't have to struggle anymore with the things I didn't like doing, like opening jars, struggling to open packages without scissors. It's not always easy to roof them with your teeth. Oh yeah, look at that. And onto the plate they go. Yum. This is my favorite. It's got everything. Don't those look great? And that's for my kid that doesn't eat tomato sauce. So there are your pizza bites of all types. Time for the bite. And since I can't get my mouth all the way in to get that anchovy, I'm gonna cut it in half. That's my bite. Wow, that's incredible. And that's a nuclear salt bomb with an anchovy. I recommend the taste sensation. Click the link below to get your Jiggly jar opener, your can opener, and those great kitchen shears. Every purchase is risk-free. Each set is backed by an amazing 100% money-back lifetime warranty. Every kitchen needs a great pair of shears, because you never know when you want to cut your pizza into smaller pizza bites. I'm Rebecca Brown, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes, especially the easiest kids recipe in the world for lunch. Yummy.